So I have my computer here, but it's not turning on. Like, dude, how about if I think the power button's broken. It's not like turning on. Hi, and welcome back to Computer Fixer Upper. So here at MediaTek, we get a lot of problems where people's like power buttons get all like shoved up into their computer and they can't get it out. This just happens from repeated use, and it's pretty common. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pry up underneath right here. There we go. Oh, yeah. So, you're going to want to get this piece, and you're going to put it off to the side. You're not going to be needing it. Oh, whoops. You can glue those on later. Okay, so then there we go. Beautiful. This is what it should look like. Now, as you can see, the power button is just a little dirty. You gotta just wipe it off. And it's a little bent right there. So if you take your screwdriver and then you just simply bend it back, it should look like this. That's not what you want. You want it to be bent. If you move it, there we go. It's gotta be like that. Now, we're gonna have to get this piece all the way off so we can put the power button back in. So, I managed to get the top part off. So you just gotta wrestle with it a little with a screwdriver and pry it off. And now, what you're left with is this little area right here. That's what you want. So you're gonna get that little this little motherboard place right here. And you're gonna want to take this power button and you're gonna want to put it back just right there. Then stick this piece right back on. Then close it up and you're done. See you next time.